In this video, we will show you how to remove vocal from audio or music using Wondershare Filmora video editor. In here, for example, we will try to remove some vocal from an audio or video. Okay, we will import the video that contain audio first. Okay, you can see here. If you can see, I will cut from this until this. Okay, I will delete the else. The AI vocal remover just work if your audio minimum has 10 seconds. We will try to hear the voice. Okay, okay, just something look like that. We will try to remove the vocal, so just leave the music. How to do that? First, in here you need to open tools, select audio, and select AI vocal remover. You can see why this is not work, because you don't select this. Make sure this is active. Click tools again and click audio and select AI vocal remover. Just wait until this done. Very easy. Now let's see. This is the original. Okay, we will mute this, and this is voice. We will mute this also, and let's see our result. Okay, now let mute the background music and just let the vocal. Let's see. Okay, it's very easy. You can adjust what you need. Okay, you need background music or just need the vocal. Next, to export this as just audio, okay, I will mute the vocal and unmute the background music. You can export, okay, if you want just the audio, okay, or the background music with format to MP3, and we'll give the name background music, like this, and just click export. It will become just audio only. Okay, let's see. And that's all tutorial how you can remove vocal from audio or music, even on video, using Wondershare Filmora video editor. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can fill in the form comments.